One of the important blunder committed by the students is that they don't analyze or decode the syllabus properly, right? And then just simply start reading all the voluminous books. Did you also have this kind of habit in the initial days?
Yes, sir, definitely. I also did that blunder. That's why I think that I was able to clear only in the last attempt. So, not seeing the syllabus topics, and these days there's a lot more emphasis on reading current affairs only, and not emphasis. There's very less emphasis on the theory part of the syllabus. That's what also I feel. So again, I wasted a lot of time on just reading current affairs, and that used to consume so much time that I was not able to focus on other topics of the syllabus. So yes, this needs to be avoided.
There should be a proper understanding about the syllabus. You should decode the syllabus and then see the previous year question right from the beginning. That will keep you streamlined in the right direction. Otherwise, you might be lost in the jungle of books. So that will not help you, correct? That is it. Himani, especially the notes making is also an art. Did you also have an art of notes making?
Yes, so I eventually developed that art. So again, I was in the initial days. What I used to do was whatever used to come, let's say on a topic in syllabus, I used to just write it down. I didn't even see that my even single point used to get very long. So notes making is definitely a very important art. We need to focus that on every syllabus topic. First of all, we need to have some notes. Then it needs to be only around 1.5 or 2 page, let's say, and it again needs to cover everything comprehensively. So it should have the positive side of that topic, then the negative side as well, or a way forward, an introduction or conclusion, and then some data point on that syllabus topic. That's how eventually I realized that that's how notes should be made.